years old. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, so can you read this one?
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Very good. Next.
Good night.
Good job. Good.
Good morning.
Next.
Good afternoon.
Great. Next.
Morning.
Hey, how about this one?
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Next.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
Next.
Fine.
Fine. Okay, how about this one, Kylie? I will put some flashcards here and I want you to point. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, good job. Kylie, can you point to me where is name? Name, very good. How about good morning?
Good morning.
Morning. Next we have good afternoon. Very good. Good evening.